Welcome to my channel. This is Isha and today I'm here with a pick a card reading on the topic what is the one major blessing that you will be receiving next week. So I have three options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1, this is going to be pile 2 and this is going to be pile 3. Please select your pile and fast forward to your chosen option. Hi pile 1. So currently, when you're watching this reading, you might be in the energy of anger or frustration, maybe because some travel plans didn't go through, or else for some people it could be because of the weather. The weather might not be very conducive to what you have to do, or maybe because of the weather you couldn't travel, there is not enough sunlight that you're getting, or else it's just that the road to what you want is not very smooth sailing right now. That could be the reason why you're angry or frustrated right now. So, coming to the one major big blessing that you're going to be receiving next week is that the path is going to be presented to you. The way to it is being given to you. But at the same time, your blessing is that you will be using your discernment and doing research about it because there is some hidden aspect to it, and you will use your concentration, power, focus, and try to gather information and use your discernment to see what is hidden. And when you do that, it's going to bring you a great amount of fortune. So your concentration and discernment is going to be very rewarding. I'm not saying that the path is bad. I'm saying that the path is open for you and that's a major blessing. But if you concentrate and use your discernment, you'll get more out of it, is what I feel like. And this could also be with regards to travel or something that was stuck. As I mentioned, whatever is in the rocky road right now, that path is going to be straightened for you and you're going to get much more out of it. That is a major blessing for your next week. And it is all because you trusted your intuition, went inwards and concentrated on some things, researched, perhaps used your discernment, and that is going to be a major blessing because you're going to do all these things and you're going to get more than what you had expected, is what I feel like, because you have fortune turning in your favor the next week. Yes, that's about it. Bye, enjoy, take care. Hi, Pine 2. Welcome to your reading. So at the time when you're watching this reading, you might be getting some sort of an idea, or there's this process of ideation that you're going through and you are perhaps strategizing, learning, studying about it, and you're doing this behind the scenes and not revealing it to people. So there is some ideation energy that is happening right now. And one major blessing that is going to come to you in the next week is that you are going to be accepted somewhere. So you will be accepted somewhere. You're going to get some sort of acceptance letter or acceptance to wherever you want it to be. And a masculine figure could be relevant, or it is your masculine energy that is at play. That is, you're taking action on that idea which you have right now. That's going to become solid because you're taking action. And I do see you working with a group of people and standing your ground and persevering. It could be acceptance to a workshop or whatever team or circle or group, whatever you wanted to be in. You are having your position as firm. People will look up to you, is what I feel like. You'll have a strong foot, you'll have a strong standing in that group of people. People might be difficult, but you will persevere, and because of your perseverance and your energy that you're getting in, which is action oriented energy, you will be highly regarded, is what I feel like. So whatever is it, you're standing firm with this group of people in whatever you're doing. It could be a workshop, it could be anything that involves a group of people, and maybe you all are learning something, perfecting something, working on something together. Whatever it is a major blessing and you are going to be accepted as you are because of the energy that you bring in, because of the ideas that you bring in. The acceptance is happening. It could be you accepting that you deserve the best, you deserve to be in this group. Your ideas are going to be accepted by you as well first. That is what I feel like. So it could be self acceptance as well. That is what is having the ripple effect, and then it leads to the group accepting you because you bring in that strong, powerful energy. Yes, that is what I feel like. That is your major blessing for next week. That's about it. Bye. Enjoy. Take care. Hi, Pile 3. Welcome to your reading. So, currently, when you're watching this reading, I see the energy of happiness, but I also see some energy which is keeping you chained or trapped. So, the thing is that it could be something toxic that is calling to you, but that thing is making you happy. It could be a thing, it could be a person, it could be something that makes you happy. So I see this energy of happiness, but there is some toxicity as well. So you may be literally happy, but people around you are toxic, which is pulling onto your energy. That is one possibility. So coming to your one major blessing that you will be receiving next week is that firstly, you got the card of blessings itself. So there is some hidden blessing that you will be receiving. And number 4 could be relevant. You might be seeing synchronicities like 4 4. So that is your clue as to what that blessing could be. When I asked for more blessings, what I got is healing and nourishment. So you are going to be healing and feeling very empowered. So perhaps there were people who are dragging your energy down, the energy vampires. Somehow you're going to claim your energy back, and not only that, you're going to feel very empowered and healed. So you could be having nourishing food, having all those material things that will make you feel very stable and empowered because you're feeling also very healthy. If it was your health that was keeping you chained, trapped, and stuck, you're going to be healing, and it's a major blessing that you're going to be having next week. You're going to be healed, and I feel like there is something hidden that is not revealed yet, or you are doing something behind the scenes and conserving something. It could be anything, right? Your time, energy, whatever it is that you're doing behind the scenes and not letting it flow, that thing is your major blessing. It could also be that because you are strategizing or doing something, you could be receiving some sort of discount, a hidden discount when it comes to something with regards to your health and your healing. Whatever that hidden discount is, it could be, for example, organic stuff could be on a huge discount. What I mean is that you could be getting huge discounts when it comes to your health, your healing, like when it comes to doctors. Like you could be getting medical discounts or your bills paid or whatever, but you're getting some discount or you're saving something, and that could just be your energy which is making you even more happy and feel empowered. You're going to be feeling very, very powerful, especially when you get the blessing which is related to number 4, and it could be with regards to your house, your stability, your structure as well. Another thing that I wanted to add was that you could be pulling your energy back. That is what you could be conserving. So whatever was training you, trapping you, that was toxic, you yourself could be pulling that energy back. If someone was deceptive to you, someone was toxic to you, you could be conserving and keeping things to yourself only, and that is leading to this feeling of not tolerating such toxicity, not tolerating whatever is not serving you, whatever is toxic. So when you do that, you are naturally coming into a state of empowerment, and you will take care of yourself and your body. This is what I feel like. and there is some blessing regarding your house or something that is going to be revealed next week itself, and that is going to be making you very, very happy, is what I feel like. Yes, that's about it. Bye, enjoy, take care.